Lomen Brown. These are layers. So we will be selling the point of layer. You can place your order around about January. They will be on the point of layer, so you can place your order. Then we will be with you and deliver to you. These are layers are available on Shalom Poultry Farm with Dr. Bang. So just place your order if you want to start a layer business. So place your order. It will be available by January. And then this will be on the point of layer. These are Lomen Brown, are layer chickens that we are brooding. Just place your order to secure your spot. It will be available soon. Thanks very much. You are welcome.